I was just at art class and I was working on drawing a puppy, and I just got back. And while I was gone, my new desk arrived, so I'm gonna go look at it for the very first time. I'm super excited. Oh my gosh, I love it! It looks so similar to the other one, but whoa. Oh my gosh, charging ports? That's so cool. This is awesome, I love it. That's awesome. So much space. So much desk space, I love it. I love these cubbies, they're so perfect. Wow, look at it compared to the old one. Wow, this one's like taller and just bigger. So cool. We're moving my old desk out so we can put the new one in this spot.
Her desk is nice, huh?
I want to push from the other side. I feel like I could get.
You want to test the drawers? Oh, he wants to open his own trucks. There we go. Good job.
Ready, set, go.
Perfect.
Ready, set.
Okay, we're moving it out the door now. I'm going slow and being careful and trying not to hit anything. And just finishing moving everything out of the way so I can move my new desk into place.
Do this and then we'll pivot your end. And maybe help on David's end. You ready? Pivot my end. Now your end.
Oh.
See if I can.
Uh-oh, my shirt got caught me.
Careful.
I don't want this thing to like fall.
Yeah,
Daddy is.
Okay,
Except for the books. It's fine.
Good luck getting out of that corner.
your side a little bit more.
All right.
Just go until my hand hits the wall.
We measured, so it should fit exactly. So we'll see here if we got it right.
Oh, that's good.
Perfect.
You'll just have to walk around the edge over there.
Yeah.
I'm just
Funny.
I'm kidding. We need to move it a little more this way. Yeah.
You know what's cool? The back of your desk, Alyssa, it's got the same exact beadboard as your walls. That looks really cool, actually.
Right.
It looks like it's all one big piece.
Oh, guys, leave it
Yeah.
like a ½ inch from the wall
I mean, you almost knocked the hutch back if you went down.
because it's making the desk tilt this way because they put a little strip along
Try
the
just
wall.
pushing from the bottom,
Oh
David.
wow, it's the exact same.
Yeah, if you look from over here, Alyssa, it makes your desk look like it's all one big
see the
piece.
back.
Look how cool it looks.
Oh wow, you're right.
It looks pretty neat, right?
So cool looking. Here it is in place. I love it. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to put all my stuff back on my desk. I'm gonna reorganize it, make it pretty. Because my last desk was a little bit messy. So this one will be perfect. I can't wait. I really love this right here. It's like my favorite part. I have a good portion of my desk finished. There's still a lot left to go, but I'll show you guys the progress. Did paints, random stuff like pencil holders. This is not done yet. More art supplies and books. Okay, so I've been working on cleaning my desk all the way, and I think that it is 99.9% done. So I'm going to show you every little detail of it right now. Starting with the top, I have my paintbrushes. That's why there's one sticking up out there. And then my fox painting, a little fox. Some of my art, the Skittles, the dragon, and the lime lips. And then I have my cute little light up tree right here. And speaking of lights, I have all of these little lights along the edge of my desk. Speaking of, the tape always like comes off, so I'll have to fix that. And then up here, I don't know what to put here yet, or here. I'm still working on that, but at least I don't have too much stuff. At least it just looks good. I have my fox, and then Groot and a turtle. A little fox drawing up there, color pencils, Survivor stuff, just random stuff. I usually keep my iPad over here, and other random art supplies. And then over here, I know it looks a little messy, but that's because I have all my dragon pictures in here, so they don't like crowd everything here. And this is only in here because it goes to Groot. And then, yeah, just more supplies. Fox and Lollipop in this pencil thing. And then color pencils back there. A little plant, Kona, a fox, an eagle, or I think that's an eagle. Just a bird, all my random drawings. And then a little fox, my lamp, more art, and these cool little plug outlets that I can use to like charge my phone and stuff, which is super helpful. And my desk is so clean, so I want to keep it that way. And then of course my pineapple plant, I reorganized all of this, so that's helpful. It looks a lot better than it did before. Down here, just more art supplies. I might organize this a little better later, but for now, this is how it's gonna be. In here, just more art supplies. Pretty much art supplies in every drawer. I know I keep saying that, but yeah. Color pencils, notebooks, books, and paint. So yeah, this is my desk. I absolutely love it. I think it looks really good with like the board back there. It almost looks like one piece, like all together, which is pretty cool. I love it. I think my chair matches perfectly, and I really like the height. I just think it's a really cool desk. I absolutely love it. And since I always do art on my desk, you guys will have to tell me what art tutorial I should do first, because I actually ordered a clear thing to go over the desk so it doesn't get pencil marks or paint on it. It'll keep it safe and clean. So yeah, anyways, comment down below what art tutorial I should do first, and any tips or suggestions on organizing things in some of my desk drawers. I don't know, just anything you guys want to say, go ahead, leave a comment. Anyways, I'll see you guys in my next video, so see you later. Leave a like, bye!